What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KD and I'm back with another video. Now, I got a request in my previous video on my setup tour. If you haven't seen that, that's popped up in one of these corners. That's gonna pop up. Make sure you check it out after this video. I do have a super ultra wide monitor that is huge, unnecessarily huge. You really don't need it, but it's just big. I got a request from Crocodile X that asked me to basically show how my setup is. I'm gonna pop up the comment right here, so you can see what he said. Basically, if I can do a video about how I set up my monitor to stream and record. So I'm gonna do that right now and show y'all how to do it. It's really simple. Anybody can do it. If you have like if you have an ultra wide or a super ultra wide, it'll work. Basically it divides your windows. It's called easy setting box. I'm gonna show you how to do it right after this intro. So here we go. We have my screen up here. It's this size because, like I said, I do have a 49-inch monitor, so it's really wide. And as you can see right now, I already have OBS set up and open. Inside of OBS, I have different scenes for different things that I do. So I do have a main channel where I record reaction videos, and I have like each thing set up. So like my streaming stuff is all set up right here, as well as my recording things are set up. It's all controlled through my Stream Deck. If y'all want a video on that, make sure y'all hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll do it for you. I'm gonna do it anyway, but it'll be nice to be, you know, if y'all want to see it, y'all want to know how it's done, make sure y'all do that. So from here, I'm gonna show you guys. My test is gonna be using Call of Duty. And I'm gonna show you how I set up my Call of Duty to make everything work properly here. And then I'll show you what it actually looks like on screen once everything is all set up. So first, we're gonna start off with the app that I use, which is this right here. So when you install everything, it's gonna look like this. But I'll actually show you the website and I'll link it in the description so that y'all know how to do this. It's called Open Settings Box. Open Easy Settings Box or Easy Settings Box, which basically divides your screen into a bunch of different types of like things, so you can have different things open. So like if you want to have video showing while you're working on something else and streaming, that's possible if your computer can run it. Now inside of my computer, I do have an i5-9400F CPU from Intel. And then my graphics card is a 1660 Ti. It's not really, it's like more mid-tier. It's not high-end, it's mid-tier, but it works. And I'm able to get nice looking streams. If you haven't seen it, make sure you follow me on Twitch where I do stream, which is kdjustgames, and you can see it there. I don't use it unless I have to. So once you install this, it will be on your computer and it'll be in this side box right here. So where this arrow is down here, it'll be right here. It's this button right here. So when you open it, you can just press it, and as you can see, it'll divide the screen up any way you want it, up to 6 screens. And it really does work. Like, I'll do it here. It's like we'll take this and we'll put it in one of the boxes, right? Boom, separated. I genuinely like to use just one, which is this half and half box right here. So it only takes the screen and divide it in half. So in order to use it, you take one of the windows and you put it on the side you want it on. So you can put it on this side and it snaps, or you put it on that side and it snaps. I usually keep my OBS on this side. In my game, I keep it either in the middle or I keep it on the other side. So the game that I'm using right now, like I said, as a test subject, is Call of Duty Cold War right here. So as you can see, it does the same. Now, not every single program allows you to use this. I've had instances where games won't allow you to snap using the open settings box. So in cases like that, I'll show you what I do using Call of Duty. So in Call of Duty, I'll go to graphics and I'll put every single game that I'm playing in window mode. Now, playing Call of Duty in window mode can be iffy. Like, Call of Duty itself is already iffy, but definitely playing in window mode can be iffy because of the graphics settings. It'll change sometimes mid-game, or like every time you open the game, the settings will revert back to what it was. So I make sure every time I play that I go to the settings and make sure I put it exactly the same. So I have a 3840 by 1080. It is not the highest in widescreen. It still only displays 1080p, but I put that like this, and my aspect ratio is 21:9, which isn't the full aspect. of the monitor, it goes up to 32:9, but I use 21:9, so it's not overwhelming. I'll be honest, playing games on this monitor in full screen can be a bit jolting. It takes some time to get used to. I remember the first time I played with it, I got nauseous after the first time. Like, so I tend to not play games in full screen on this monitor. I don't use this for that. I like it for the multitasking part of it. Like, I can do a bunch of different things at one time. Field of view is 120, so it gives you a wide range. It still feels like it's wide, and that's what it does. So I'm gonna show you what it actually looks like in game using my Stream Deck. So when I have everything set up, it looks like this. The game's not open. Oh, there it is. It just took a second to come up. So I have everything open right here, and this is what it looks like in game.
I'll put it on your tab.
Thank you.
Guys, just got me pinned.
Oh boy, I'm over here shooting up the dang on dog thinking. And that's pretty much how I record. Like I said, it's really simple, it's really easy, it's not hard. It isn't like a strange thing, but genuinely when I record or I stream, that's pretty much how I do it, whether it be gaming or I'm looking at a YouTube video. My screen normally looks like this. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like this, make sure you hit that like button on the video so I can do more tutorials for you guys. Anything y'all want, I can break down my OBS settings and how I stream with parts that I have in my computer so that I can get good looking content. I can break down my Stream Deck, how things are set up, my microphone settings. If y'all want that type of stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button because it's all coming soon. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and remember that God loves you, and I do too.